Yo, what's up everybody, it's your man Aaron, and let me tell you, I am hyped about today's video. We're talking Las Vegas, baby. The city that never sleeps is about to get a whole lot more interesting. Did you know that Las Vegas is set to unveil over 10 new attractions in 2025 that are changing the game for visitors? We're talking next level stuff here, people. So buckle up because we're about to dive headfirst into the hottest new spots in Las Vegas for 2025. We're talking luxury hotels that'll blow your mind, dining experiences that are straight up art, entertainment options that'll keep you on the edge of your seat, and attractions so innovative, you'll be questioning reality. This isn't just another trip down the strip, guys. This is about to be a full-blown expedition into the future of Vegas. Get ready, it's gonna be wild. Okay, let's be real for a second. We've all been there, right? You're all set to plan the perfect trip, and the excitement is palpable. But then, reality hits you like a ton of bricks. You're planning a trip, you're stoked about it, but then you get hit with the avalanche of options. It's like the universe is conspiring to overwhelm you with choices. It's like trying to pick a favorite grain of sand on the beach. Each option seems just as enticing as the last, and you can't help but feel a bit lost. And Vegas? Vegas is like that beach, but instead of sand, it's overflowing with casinos, shows, restaurants, and experiences that all promise to be the best thing since sliced bread. The sheer volume of choices can be paralyzing. Now imagine that beach, but someone just dumped a whole other beach on top of it. The options keep piling up, making it even harder to decide. That's Vegas in 2025. It's a city that's constantly evolving, with new attractions and experiences popping up all the time. 10 new major attractions, plus countless other smaller spots popping up, all vying for your attention, your time, and let's be honest, your hard-earned cash. It's a never-ending cycle of new and exciting things to do. It's enough to make your head spin faster than a roulette wheel. The choices are dizzying, and it can be hard to know where to start. Do you go for the glitz and glam of the new mega resort? The allure of luxury and opulence is hard to resist. Or do you chase the adrenaline rush of that immersive, cutting-edge entertainment experience everyone's been buzzing about? The thrill of the unknown can be incredibly tempting. And then there's the food, man. The culinary scene in Vegas is nothing short of spectacular. World-renowned chefs are flocking to Vegas like moths to a neon sign, each one bringing their own unique flavor to the table. The dining options are endless and mouth-watering. How do you even begin to choose? The sheer variety can be overwhelming, but it's also what makes Vegas so special. It's a good problem to have, no doubt, but a problem nonetheless. The abundance of choices can leave you feeling both excited and confused. But hey, that's what we're here for, right? To help you navigate through the chaos and make the best choices for your trip. To break it all down, cut through the noise, and give you the inside scoop on what's hot and what's not in Sin City 2.0. So buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the best that Vegas has to offer. Alright, enough with the existential travel crisis, let's get down to brass tacks. Las Vegas is evolving, and it's time to dive into what makes this city a must-visit destination in 2025 and beyond. First up, we've got the behemoths, the titans of the strip, the mega resorts that are redefining luxury. These aren't just hotels, they're entire ecosystems designed to cater to your every whim. Picture this, sprawling pool complexes that feel like private islands, rooms with views that stretch on forever, and enough restaurants and bars to satisfy every craving imaginable. Imagine waking up to a panoramic view of the city, then spending your day lounging by a pool that feels like a tropical paradise. But it's not just about size, it's about the experience. These mega resorts are designed to immerse you in a world of luxury and comfort, where every detail is meticulously crafted to enhance your stay. We're talking immersive technology integrated into every aspect of your stay, personalized service that anticipates your every need, and amenities so extravagant, you'll feel like royalty. From smart rooms that adjust to your preferences to concierge services that can arrange anything you desire, the future of hospitality is here. Next, we're venturing off the strip a bit, exploring the hidden gems, the boutique hotels that are all about style and personality. These smaller establishments offer a more intimate experience, often with unique themes and personalized touches that make your stay unforgettable. These are the places where every detail tells a story, where the design is as much an attraction as the location itself. Imagine staying in a room where every piece of furniture, every piece of art, has been carefully selected to create a cohesive and captivating environment. Think rooftop bars with killer views, intimate speakeasies with handcrafted cocktails, and restaurants pushing the boundaries of culinary innovation. These spots are perfect for those who appreciate the finer things in life and want to experience something truly unique. But it's not just about sleeping and eating, right? Las Vegas is synonymous with entertainment, and the offerings in 2025 are set to be more spectacular than ever. Vegas is all about entertainment, and let me tell you, 2025 is bringing the heat. From jaw-dropping live shows to immersive theater experiences, there's something for everyone. We're talking mind-blowing shows that combine acrobatics, technology, and storytelling in ways you've never seen before. Imagine a performance where the lines between reality and fantasy blur, leaving you in awe. Concerts with the biggest names in music, performing in venues designed to blow your eardrums and your mind. These aren't just concerts, they're full-blown experiences that you'll remember for a lifetime. And then there are the attractions, man. Las Vegas is constantly reinventing itself, offering new and exciting experiences for visitors. Interactive experiences that transport you to other worlds, immersive art installations that blur the lines between reality and fantasy, and adrenaline-pumping adventures that will leave you breathless. Whether you're an art lover, a thrill seeker, or just looking for something new, Las Vegas has something for you. Okay, we've danced around it long enough. Time to talk about the main event, the heavyweight champion of New Vegas attractions, the venue that has everyone buzzing with anticipation. This isn't just another hotel or show, this is an experience unlike anything the world has ever seen. Imagine a building that seems to defy gravity, a fusion of cutting-edge architecture and nature, where cascading waterfalls meet shimmering glass facades. Inside, a world of wonder awaits, a playground for the senses, where every detail has been meticulously crafted to create an unforgettable experience. We're talking Michelin-starred chefs, serving up culinary masterpieces, exclusive performances by the world's top entertainers, and a level of luxury that redefines extravagance. This is the kind of place where you come to celebrate life's biggest moments, to indulge in the extraordinary, to create memories that will last a lifetime. But it's more than just opulence and grandeur. This venue is also a hub for innovation, a showcase for the latest in technology and design. We're talking sustainable practices woven into every aspect of its operation, immersive art installations that push the boundaries of creativity, and experiences that blur the lines between the digital and physical worlds. This is the future of Vegas, and it's about to arrive in all its glory. Get ready to be amazed. This venue is not just a place, it's a destination, a journey into the heart of innovation and luxury. Imagine walking through doors that open to a world where technology and nature coexist in perfect harmony. Picture yourself surrounded by lush greenery, even as you marvel at the sleek, modern design that defines the space. The venue is designed to be a living, breathing entity, constantly evolving and adapting to offer new experiences. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the moment, whether you're dining on a gourmet meal, watching a world-class performance, or simply soaking in the atmosphere. And let's not forget the amenities. From state-of-the-art fitness centers to luxurious spas, every aspect of this venue is designed to pamper and delight. It's a place where you can truly unwind and escape from the everyday hustle and bustle. The rooftop offers breathtaking views of the Las Vegas skyline, making it the perfect spot for a romantic evening or a night out with friends. With every visit, you'll discover something new, something that makes you fall in love with the place all over again. So, whether you're a local or a visitor, this venue promises an experience that is both unique and unforgettable. It's not just about what you see, but how it makes you feel. Get ready to be part of something extraordinary. So there you have it, a sneak peek into the future of Vegas, a city that's constantly evolving, always pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Whether you're a seasoned Vegas veteran or a first-time visitor, 2025 promises an experience unlike any other. From the glitz and glam of the mega resorts to the intimate charm of the hidden gems, from the mind-blowing entertainment to the culinary delights, Vegas has something for everyone. It's a city that caters to every whim, every desire, every fantasy. But it's more than just a collection of attractions and experiences. Vegas is a feeling, an energy, a state of mind. It's a place where you can be whoever you want to be, do whatever you want to do, and live life to the fullest. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your 2025 Vegas adventure today. The city that never sleeps is about to get a whole lot more exciting. Hey, thanks for coming along on this wild ride through the future of Vegas. I hope this video got you as pumped as I am about all the incredible things coming to Sin City in 2025. But this is just the tip of the iceberg, people. There's so much more to explore, so many more hidden gems and mind-blowing experiences to uncover. That's why I need your help. If you love this sneak peek into the future of Vegas, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. We'll be diving deeper into all the hottest new spots, giving you the inside scoop on everything from the best restaurants to the most unforgettable shows. And be sure to let me know in the comments which new spot you're most excited about. Let's keep this Vegas conversation going strong. Alright guys, that's a wrap from the future of Vegas. I'm already feeling the buzz, the energy, the anticipation for all the incredible things to come. This city never disappoints, and 2025 is shaping up to be legendary. But for now, I'm out of here. Gotta go chase down some pizza and brainstorm some more epic video ideas for you guys. Keep it real, keep it adventurous, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.